Subscribe my channel, it's Paul. And you look, this is a tow truck, and this is a Lamborghini, and this is a Ferrari. So this thing is the best. It go 100 miles an hour, and that's why, because this truck goes slow. It goes 2,600. That's why, because this car Hot Wheels 2510. Because I break it and it costs 250.10. And I break it like, and look at my drifter. And this car is a 9.5. It goes 2,000 miles an hour. This car is a Honda car 2,000 million and goes 6,209. Because that Huracan is good. That's why, because this Huracan is expensive. It costs 2,000 million. Because I don't know why it's a lot of money. That's why it's a lot of money there. You cannot buy it. Because this car makes sounds. It makes that sounds. And I picked this car. I don't even scrape. That's why, because you know why? I'm a genius, because I made this car. I play cars every time. That's why I like cars. That's Hot Wheels, and Will like Hot Wheels is by Peter Hot, and we play there. And then motorcycle bikes. Yeah, so that's why the car is good. And the car is not bad. I watched it last time. And then it was good. It was fast, you know. You know, this is a Huracan 10 and this is a Huracan 2,000 million. Go 1,700, 2,000 miles an hour. And that's why. So this Huracan cost 50,000 million. That's a lot. I have a lot of 2,000 million. And that's why, because I like cars. And cars do not like that. Because I don't know why cars is like that. The cars have to be like a pickup, a Jeep, or a Lamborghini, like something. Because that's my channel. Subscribe my channel every day. Because it's important. I have to get a diamond for I can buy a Ferrari. That's why I keep doing my birthday. They don't give me a diamond play button. That's why now we so sad every day. I don't know why they don't give me that. Because I don't know. I don't think so. They love me or something. Goodbye.
What do you mean you don't think so if they love you or something? Oh, you want question and answer?
Yeah.
Okay. What's your name?
My name is Paul. Because look my line.
I only asked you for your name. Okay, how old are you?
I'm 5, and then my birthday is July 9, and then I'll be 6, because Mason be 6 also, and then I be the same height like everybody.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Goodbye.
No, not yet. We're not done with the question and answer portion. Okay. Can you say your name?
My name is Paul. My name is Paul.
Nina?
My
In
name
Dutch.
is Paul. My name is my Paul, because my name is Paul.
Yeah.
And Dot, and my name. What is my other name?
Edward.
My name is Paul Edward, and this is my mama, Lit Paul, and this is Ariel, Papa, and that is Dinina, and that's Adidisa Badisi,
Mm-hmm.
and Tita, and Tito Francis,
Mm-hmm.
and
What's the name of your brother in the Philippines?
Kuya Dave.
Okay, you talk to Kuya Dave. Come to
Kuya Dave, come here, because I gave you a gift. As you come here, it's your birthday, I gave you $1,000 in the world, and before you can buy something like a Ferrari or a Lamborghini, I have a lot of money. I buy you something good.
You have a lot of money.
No.
Why you say in your vlog you have a lot of money?
That's why.
Where you get the money? Where you get the money?
The money kuya.
Don't say that word. The word it's not good, okay? Yeah? Okay? Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Hey, that is my kuya dip. And my kuya dip come out from his belly. Then here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. And there's a bit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. And there might be 5. That's
Can
why.
you sing for them? What is your favorite song?
What's my flavor? My name is who?
No song.
My
You're gonna
song?
sing for them so they hear your voice.
My happy birthday?
Not happy birthday. You want to sing happy birthday?
No.
What?
Who not be 7
Okay.
years? Who not be 7 years old? Who not be dreamed? Extra emotion to any older? Who not be 7 years old?
Oh. Hello.
Hello.
Tita Annabelle.
Hello, Tita Annabelle.
What you doing, bro?
What are you doing, bro?
What you doing? Can you
What I-
speak English?
You can speak English. Well, she's not talking.
She's not talking. You say pura.
Pula. I'm almost done.
Why you not talking?
Why am I talking?
Ah, bad.
I'm done, Mama.
No, not yet. They're watching. Look, they're watching your vlog. Or you sing for them, or you tell them what you love to do.
I want to sing. It's happy birthday, please. Happy birthday to you. Nobody like you. You look like a monkey. You go to an animal. Go back to zoo.
Where you learn to sing that?
I know already.
Okay, what else you gonna sing?
Happy birthday to me. I'm poo 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 poo. Happy birthday to you. Go back to zoo.
Dutch.
Okay. Cumpleaños Telly.
Papiamento
Cumpleaños Telly. Cumpleaños Telly. Cumpleaños Telly. Langs Anna Zeder. Langs Anna Zeder. Langs Anna Zeder. Anna Julia. Anna Julia. Anna Julia. Langs Anna Zeder. Hoopie. Langs Anna Zeder. Anna Hoopie. Yeah.
Alive.
Alive, everyone. My Jesus is a Christ. Alive, everyone. Alive, everyone. Yes, Jesus is my Christ. Alive, it's in my Julia. It's in my Julia. My Jesus is in Christ. Everyone, sing Julia. And Julia. My Jesus is Christ. My Jesus is Christ. My Jesus is Christ.
Okay, in Dutch.
I don't know.
Oh, Tita Annabelle said you sell your toys.
No.
You tell them how much.
That costs $100.
Oh, you tell them. Show them all your toys. Explain them what you
Look,
say.
they can just see it. Look. Hey, look. Look my channel. Look my line. Look my line. And yeah, and goodbye. I'm done, Mama. Because I don't want to talk more. I cannot talk good. Ma, I'm done.
Just leave it and you do what you want to do.
I'm done. I can use my phone.
No, you have toys to play, not phone.
You say I have to do my channel and then you let me use my phone?
No, did I say that?
Yeah.
No, I did not say that.
No, yeah.
No. Then you're done?
No.
Okay, get it then. Say ayo. Say bye-bye.